Alright, so let's start. So now we're ready. So you saw the line on the top, right? Just go slow, okay? Don't go faster or you're gonna go popping the line. So it's gonna be pop the line. So let me show you. This is the losing line, that's making the tight. So we're gonna start with this guy, okay? Now with the other one. These guys turn because I didn't clean the glass of the suction cup. You can go straight from here, and that's it. But even this is enough. You see that? That's because it's dirt. I didn't clean the glass, but if you want to avoid that problem, just go straight. Oh, you have to clean the glass. That's because I didn't clean and there's a lot of glue there. Now, if you want, you can make the turn. You can make the turn over here. You make the turn here. Remember, you can go too close to here or you're going to touch the pump. No more room, so you can continue another cut, or if you want you can just wait. But if you want to do that, you can just finish doing this. That way you can go under here. Just careful with the lines. Alright, and you see we are almost under the bracket, but the shape sometimes is difficult, so you can just go here, or sometimes you can even go over here. At this point, I'm gonna make my UV. You can use from WLD, so it's the same way. So right here, okay. You can do this, or you can just cross to the right. So it's up to you. Okay. Now we're gonna lock this guy because I don't have the U lock, so that's why I have to be close. That way, I'll have to do noise. As you see, the line never come out. So that's why you have to start. If you feed in the bottom line or any line, the corner. You have to start for the part is loose and not from one is tight, or the tight is going to make the line pop out of there. Now if you want to go here, it's not possible because you have to pass this line, okay? So it's going to be more move, so I think probably just crossing the line is much better, okay? Now you have more angle. So you finish over here, and that's it. Okay guys, so we have to cut the video a little bit. Everybody's calling today, so I got like 3 or 4 calls. I have to cut the video. So we got the ninjas here. So we got the windshield out. Remember, the technique was easy. The only we have to do is just feed the line in the middle on the corner, but always the part is loose. That's the first one you're going to start cutting. The one is tight, no.